We're always on a lookout for unique breakfast recipes. Today I'm giving our classic poha a twist. We're making Barnyard Millet Poha today. Let's see how to make it. The first week of September is observed as the National Nutrition Week. Today I'm using barnyard millets in our poha, which are full of iron, vitamin B, calcium and proteins. Let's start by preparing our barnyard millet. I have some washed barnyard millet right here. I'm going to boil this right now. I'm adding it to 1.5 cup of boiling water. I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt. While this is boiling, let's start with our poha preparation. I'm going to start with a little bit of oil in our pan. We're going to fry off some peanuts to start with. These are whole peanuts with skin. I'm going to fry this on low heat till the skin tears apart. The peanuts are nice and aromatic. The skin has tone and they are a little golden brown. So I'm going to take them out. This will ensure that the peanuts stay crunchy right till the end. In the same pan, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds along with a slit chilli. If you want, you can add more, and a few curry leaves. Next, I'm going to add in 1 onion which is finely chopped, half a carrot which is finely chopped, and half a cup of frozen peas. I love adding lots of vegetables to my poha, especially carrots, because they make it a little sweet and balance all the flavors out. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to saute the veggies till the onions are translucent and the carrots and the peas are soft. You can add a splash of water to make sure that the onions don't catch any color. Next, I'm going to add in a handful of chopped dhania. I like to saute my coriander so that it stays nice and green. Time to add half teaspoon of haldi and our sauteed peanuts. I'm just adding half of them. The rest I will crush and use as garnish. Let's check on our millets. They look like they're done. To make them nice and fluffy, use a fork and just toss them around. Make sure there are no lumps. And now we're directly going to add this to our saute pan. Toss this around lightly. To balance everything out, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can also add red chili powder at this stage, a little bit of salt. We're going to switch off the flame and season it finally with fresh lemon juice. Toss it around one last time and your millet poha is ready to serve. Our super simple and super nutritious millet poha is ready to serve. Try this out at your next breakfast adventure. Let me know if you want more millet recipes. I'll see you next time.